welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I posted a video and I have missed you guys, so I'm excited to be back. Today I'm doing a home reset and just giving certain spaces in our home extra attention that desperately needed it. I'm starting off in our bedroom by washing all of the bedding. I'm going to be dusting in here and vacuuming up the bed and the furniture since it has been a while since I've done a deep clean of our bedroom and some other spaces in our home as well. And I just really wanted to do a good clean and reset of our home before I even start thinking about fall decor and start pulling out all the things to decorate, which I am so excited to get our home ready, and then we can start focusing on all things fall, which I can't wait to start sharing those videos soon.
Be free with me. Be free.
Since we do have an upholstered bed, it does need to be vacuumed often. And then for any spot cleaning, I use this Folex cleaner and it works really well. There was a couple of spots on the headboard that needed to be cleaned and they came off easily. And like I said, our home really needed some extra attention in certain areas since it had been a while since it got a good deep clean. And the reason it's been neglected, which you know if you follow me on Instagram, and I also posted it here on YouTube, but I am pregnant and we're expecting our first baby this winter and so excited. But the first trimester was really rough, so I felt like I did nothing when it came to cleaning in our home. It was like the bare minimum here and there because I was really sick every day for the first few months. And even now in my second trimester, there are days I don't feel my best. So I'm just trying to give myself grace and take it easy when it comes to everything that needs to get done. But now that I'm feeling better most days, I'm trying to get back to a more consistent cleaning routine and keep up with stuff around our house as much as I can. And our bedroom was one of those spaces that really needed a reset, so it felt good to finally get it done.
Let's go, be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go, let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.
After cleaning most of the furniture in here, I was ready to switch out to the bedding. I still have this really thick blanket for the end of the bed from the winter time, which I did try to buy a thinner one on Amazon during the spring, but it ended up being too short, so I returned it and I got a new one from HomeGoods, which I'll put out right now. And I'm just going to use it for the rest of the summer. It's just a lot lighter. And then once fall comes, I want to switch it out for another thicker blanket. I want to add more traditional fall colors to our bedroom this year, so I'll be on the lookout for more of like a rust color or dark orange colored blanket for the end of the bed. And this is not sponsored or anything, but we still love these Brooklyn sheets so much. I feel like they get better every time we wash them. They do come out a little bit wrinkly from the dryer, but they're still really soft, and the ones we have especially are really cooling, so they're perfect for these summer months.
I hope I be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
And here's a blanket that I got from HomeGoods. I've been loving taking naps in here, so if the bed is made, I just cover myself up with this one, and it's nice and thin, so not too hot. And I also love the neutral color that goes perfectly with the rest of the bedding. So I'm just gonna set that out and then vacuum the rest of this room, and we'll be done in here. I actually called it a day after that, and the next day I had energy to work on resetting a few more spaces that really needed it.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
And whenever I have any cleaning to do in the kitchen or downstairs, I always have to have the dishes washed first. I feel like that kind of sets the tone for cleaning the rest of the space. So I'm just picking up here and then going to load some dishes in the dishwasher. And then something I've been really needing to do is a good clean out of our fridge since it's been a while. I took everything out, I wiped it all down and took out the drawers and cleaned those out, and then I was able to reorganize everything, and it was ready to be restocked with groceries for the week. I think cleaning out the fridge feels like a really good reset to the kitchen, so I'm glad that I got that done.
Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get
And if you haven't tried these yet, I really recommend these Scrub Daddy sponges. This one is the Scrub Mommy because it has a soft side as well, but they do a good job of cleaning and they don't end up smelling weird like most sponges. And then I also really like these type of scrub brushes when it comes to cleaning the sink. They really get into those little crevices and cleans out whatever's stuck on the side. So I love using both of these for a nice clean sink.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
And now I am resetting our fridge. I took everything out and went through everything and got rid of anything that was expired and then cleaned it out, and it just felt so good to have it nice and organized. And like I mentioned, I'm going to start on all things fall soon. I'll probably have a fall video ready for next week, so make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already and you're excited to see some fall content. And now that a lot of our spaces in our home are cleaned and reset, I can start pulling out some of the fall bins and looking through the decor I have and thinking of some new stuff I can get. So I'm excited for all of the fall decorating to come. And something else I want to work on for the rest of the year as well is decluttering a lot of stuff in our home to make space for all of the baby stuff. I want to start planning out the nursery and making lists of what we need, but I feel I need to declutter first before any of that happens. So those are the plans, and I'm excited to get that done too. And the last thing I'm doing, which I have not done in such a long time, is dusting these shelves. I left the decor on this side the same, and then I did rearrange the decor on the other side a little bit because I had used some of the items for my summer decorating downstairs. So on this other side, I took it all down, dusted, and then reset the decor back out. And I'm already planning on what I want to do for fall here. I loved what I did last year, so I'll be doing something similar, probably just with a few new touches. And last year we didn't have these picture lights, so I think they're going to look so nice this year with all of the fall decor. And I'm pretty much finished resetting a lot of spaces in our home. I hope that you guys enjoyed and got some motivation to do some cleaning and resetting in your home. It feels good to be ready to start pulling out some fall decor. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon on my next one.